Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about the status bar in Microsoft Excel. As you know that there are different bars in the Excel worksheet, like this is the formula bar, this is the toolbar, this is the formula bar. Similarly, there is a horizontal bar at the bottom of the worksheet, that is this is called the status bar. This bar is called the status bar. So what is this status bar? This status bar basically shows or displays information related to the mentioned data in the worksheet. Now I have a data here that is a raw data of the related to the scores obtained by the students in assignments, quizzes and tests, and I don't want to calculate their sum, maximum, minimum count and average value right now. I just want to see. I don't want to use a formula to count these values. So here comes the status bar that can show the status of these values in that bar without using any formula, without applying any formula. It all depends how you select the different options in the status bar. So let's go to the status bar. What you have to do, you have to right click on it. You can see that there are multiple information that you can display on this status bar. If you go down and if you go up, you can see here that you can customize this as it is in customized status bar. You can customize it by checking or unchecking the different options that you want to display on this bar. So here I want to display average, count, minimum, maximum and sum at this status bar regarding the data mentioned in the given sheet. Now I'll click at somewhere at the side and then I'll select any of the column. Like I want to select this assignment 1 marks, and I can see here that there is an average of 7.9, count is total 10, minimum value is 6, maximum value is 10 and the sum is 79. So how easier it is that I need not to use an average formula or count formula or minimum maximum formula or sum formula to get these values. So this status bar is giving us the status in this way about the values mentioned in the above sheet. Similarly, if I want to display the data related to this, I just need to select it. It will automatically display here. You need not to do anything. You just need to check those options in the status bar before selecting the data. So besides that, there are multiple options that you can use, like page numbers that you can display here, and then you can view shortcuts. You can see zoom bar here, like zoom options and shortcuts and upload status and selection mode, accessibility checker, and all these caps lock, num lock, all these options you can see on the status bar. Like sheet number, if I check the sheet number and then I click somewhere like you can see the sheet number here, sheet 3 of 13. It means this Excel workbook has 13 sheets and I am on the third sheet of this Excel workbook. So these are the different options that you can check or uncheck according to your requirement. So this status bar is very important to have a look at the different values mentioned in the given data and their calculations related to this without going down to the formulas. And you just can easily just check, like if I say that assignment, the average of all the students in assignment 1 is 7.9, the average of all the students in assignment 2 is 7.2, in assignment 3 7.5, in assignment 4 it's 7.4, and in assignment 5 it's 7. Similarly, in quiz 1 it's 7.6, in quiz 2 it's 7.9, in test 1 it's 71.3, and test 2 is 49.7. So I need not to use the formulas. So this is all about status bar that you can use to look at the sum, maximum, minimum, count and average values of the data mentioned in the worksheet. That's all from today's lecture. Thank you.